Hello and good evening, everyone. We'll discuss an essay on women empowerment. मैं इसको एज इट इज़ जैसे ये ऐसे लिखा गया था वैसे ही प्रेजेंट करूँगा विदाउट एनी एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ इट। कुछ उसको हिंदी में बिना ट्रांसलेट किए मैं इसको बोलता जाऊँगा। द रीज़न इज़ कि अगर मैंने वैसा किया तो ये वीडियो की लेंथ बहुत लंबी हो जाएगी और शायद एज़ इट इज़ जैसा ऐसे है वो काफ़ी अच्छा है। अगर आप वहाँ पे पेपर में इस ऐसे को वैसे ही प्रेजेंट कर लेंगे तो अच्छा रहेगा। और एक्सप्लेनेशन की एज सच कुछ खास ज़रूरत नहीं है और बहुत इजी लैंग्वेज यूज़ हुई है इस ऐसे में। Women empowerment is defined as empowering women, meaning that women can get power in decision making, whether it is at a domestic level or a national level. The autonomy of women is very important. In order to bring advancement in political, social, and economic aspects of the society, women have been deprived of basic rights for centuries now, and it is time to create change in this generation. To be able to create any change, the participation of every woman and man of the nation is important. United forces of both gender is the only possible way of eradicating the social evils of the past that prevailed in our nation. Women empowerment starts at home. Men should start taking up responsibility and should relieve women of the household duties the society expects them to do. It is believed that men should not cook or clean, and it is solely the responsibility of the wife or a mother to do these activities. The change in such ideology is very important to move towards a sustainable development. Men do not need to do every job. Even small help at home goes a long way. The need of the hour is to create the change, and every small step counts for that. Women have been deprived of every basic rights ever since the dawn of civilization. Women could not vote, could not work, they had no say in any family matters. The society has been discriminating against the women, even though they are the ones who take care of everyone. They might be respected in religious text, but the same amount of respect is not given in real life. Females are expected to cook for everyone in the family, but they are not allowed to work outside their homes, even in this generation. The society sets a lot of restrictions on women. They are expected to walk in a certain way, talk in a certain way, and behave in a certain way. This degrades the self respect of a woman, and this behavior is carried down from generation to generation. With women not being able to make the decision on their own, the society has not been able to develop. The social, the economic sector of the country is the most impacted. How? With the women not being able to, not being allowed education or being allowed to work, they sit at home and just keep doing household duties. This result in a wastage of human capital and resources that could be used for the betterment for the society. In the past, women were not even allowed to vote, and this resulted in a false perception of the majority voting. Major issue that arises due to oppression is the toll on mental health. Everyone deserves to a freedom. When women are deprived of it, the mental stress of them increases. The goals are shattered and the life changes drastically. A lot of sudden changes takes place, and it is very common practice in India to marry a girl off if she asks to be educated after grade 12th. The practice have led to a undereducated society, and literary ratio is the biggest proof. The literacy rate of the women in India according to the 2011 census is 64.6%, whereas the literacy rate of men is 80.9%. Understanding the need of the women empowerment is essential, but what is more essential is the action taken to ensure this. As stated earlier, the first and the foremost step is starting at the household. If there is a change in a household, then slow society changes, and with that, the government too will have to create stricter laws for the same. The government has already set laws for the equality and reservation of women. in many areas, but it has to ensure that these laws are being followed appropriately. Educating society on this topic is also an important tool. When society has knowledge about the right and wrong, the decisions can be made to improve the life of not only the women but every person in the society that has been a victim of the societal expectation and standards. Each and every person should look to participate in the issue of women empowerment. When the country acts united, the purpose of the movement becomes stronger. The government should not be afraid of interfering in religion if it deprives women on any constitutional right, and abolishment of triple talaq is just a first step towards it. Ever changing modern world, this would be a conclusion para. The ever changing modern world may be a colorful place to live, but it is not the best. The issue of sexual discrimination continued to this day. To bring change, women empowerment is needed. Women empowerment is the answer to many problems the society faces in current times. It is definitely the time to create a major change. Thank you. आई बिलीव दिस वॉज अ गुड ऐसे एंड इससे आप सभी को बेसिक अंडरस्टैंडिंग हो गई इस टॉपिक की. सो इसके अराउंड अगर आप ये भी वर्ड्स यूज़ करते हैं जो इस ऐसे में यूज़ हुए हैं तो बहुत अच्छा होगा. और आप इसमें कुछ एडिशन करना चाहते हैं विद सम रीसेंट चेंजेस एंड रीसेंट रूल्स और प्रोग्राम्स बाय गवर्नमेंट तो वो भी अच्छा रहेगा. थैंक यू.